Good morning, children. You have a good holidays? You enjoyed? Okay, hope all are safe at home, children. Shall we start second term portion? This what we learn, that only we are going to learn now. Okay? Some where we are lacking, that we are going to learn complete study. Okay, children? Yeah. Here, first I give you, see, today we start with the word of God. My voice shalt thou hear in the morning. O Lord, in the morning will I direct my prayer unto thee, and will look up. Okay, children? Okay. Shall we see subtraction of rational numbers? We are going to learn subtraction of rational numbers. Shall we start learn, children? Yes. Okay. Some of the rules are, we know that. Adding and subtracting rational numbers. Adding and subtracting rational numbers. When the denominator is same, we can add or subtract directly. When it, what? Children, tell me. When the denominator is same, we can add or subtract directly. But when it is unlike, same, you can add. When it is unlike, what to do? We have to take a LCM, then we have to make a common denominator. We have to change into common denominator, that is a like fractions. Okay, the denominator must be same. Then we can add or subtract. Okay, children? Okay, now we are going to see some subtractional sums. Okay, now see this denominator. Example, see 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. The denominator is same. Yes? Is it? What is the denominator here? 3 is the denominator. See the first fraction 2 by 3. Second fraction 1 by 3. The denominators are same. Yes? So what we can do it? We can subtract directly. So the denominators are same. So you can write the same denominator. But see the numerator. What to do? 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. See the next sum. 4 by 6 minus 2 by 6. What to do? 2 by 6. Can you reduce into this form? Yes. Which table you can cancel it? You can cancel it 2 tables. So you get what? What you will be getting? 1 by 3 again. Okay, children? Okay. Shall we see the next, children? Subtract 1 by 2 from 3 by 4. See, listen very carefully, children. Subtract 1 by 2 from 3 by 4. So, from means what you will write first? 3 by 4 first. Okay? Minus. Subtract means we are going to find the difference. Okay? Minus 1 by 2. So, see the denominator. Is the denominator is same? No. So, what we have to do? We have to find out LCM. So, for this 2 number, we have to take a LCM. So, when we take LCM of 4 and 2 is, what is the LCM we get? We get LCM is 4. So, change into like terms. What we are going to do it? We are going to do it changing into the like terms. So, when we change like terms, what do you get? The 3 by 4, the denominator is same. It is a 4. So, what number you can multiply? It's nothing to multiply. It's a 1. So, we get 3 by 4. But, see this number, 1 by 2, what to do? When you change into like terms, 2 you have to multiply by 2. The same 2 you have to multiply in the numerator also. Okay? Whatever number you multiply the denominator, the same number you have to multiply in the numerator. So you get what? 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. So what is the answer? 2 by 4. Now what to do? You have to subtract this number and this number. Okay. So when we get 3 by 4 minus 2 by 4. So now the denominator is same. Now understood why you can change? When it is a like fraction we cannot subtract and cannot add. After changing into the like terms only, you can add or subtract. Okay, children? So, 3 minus 2, 1 by 4. Okay, so 1 by 4 is the answer. Have you all understood, children? Hope you have understood. Shall we go to the next problem? Yes. Subtract 4 by 7 from 5 by 8. What is the problem, children? Subtract 4 by 7 from 5 by 8. Now, you are going to do it now. Okay, I will give you time. First, what to do? 5 by 8 minus 4 by 7. See the denominators? Denominators are unlike. It is not same. What to do? You have to change into like. For that, what you should do it? You have to find out LCM. What is the LCM, children? See, both are 8 and 7. So, just you can multiply. So, taking LCM of 7 and 8. 7 8s are 56. Okay? Now, what to do? You have to change both the number into same denominator. So, change into like terms. Okay, children? So, 5 by 8. What number you have to multiply? Then you get 56. You have to multiply by 7. So, 5 by 8 into 7 by 7. The same number you have to multiply to the numerator also. So, 8 7s are 56. The same time 5 7s are 35. Understood? Now, 4 by 7 into 8 by 8. 7 8s are 56. The same number you are multiplying to the numerator also. So, you get 32. Okay, now the denominators are same. Did you see this? Both the denominators are same. Yes, now what you can do it? You can subtract. Okay, so 35 by 56 minus 32 by 56. So when you subtract, what you will get? The denominators are same. So you can subtract the numerator. Okay, children? 35 minus 32, what you get? Subtract and tell me quickly. Yeah, 3 is the answer. Very good. So 3 by 56. Have you all understood, children? Shall we go to the next? We do continuously the next example, children. Subtraction of rational numbers. See here, we have 3 1 by 4 from 2 2 by 5. Did you see something different from other numbers? What we say that these numbers are called mixed numbers. Generally, we did simple proper fraction and improper fractions. Here, mixed numbers. So, these numbers, first you have to change into improper fraction. What to do for that? You have to multiply this number, then add the numerator. So, 3 4s are 2 plus 1, 13 by 4 from 5 2s are plus 2, 12 by 5. Okay, children? First change into improper fraction. After changing the improper fraction, what to do? Now you got 12 by 5 minus 13 by 4. Yes? Now taking LCM for this denominator. Why we have to take a LCM? Because the denominators are not same. We have to make it into a same. So, taking LCM. So, 5 4s are, you get what? 20. Now, change into a like fraction, children. So, 5 4s are 20. So, multiplying by 4. Here, what number? Multiplying by 5. Understand? We did separately. Here, we are doing together. Okay. Okay. So, 12 4s are 48. 5 4s are 20. 13 5s are 65. 4 5s are 20. Now see the denominator. The denominators are same. Now what to do? You have to subtract. Okay, children? 48 minus 65 by 20. So you get 17 by 20. Okay, children? Understood? Okay, the next problem, children. The sum of two rational numbers is 17 by 4. If one of the number is 5 by 2, find the other number. Listen very carefully, children. So, sum is given. What is given? Sum is given. The sum is 17 by 4. One of the number is 5 by 2. Other number we don't know. So, what we did? We consider as x. Okay. Then what we did? 5 by 2, because this is when we add sum of two numbers are 17 by 4. So, 5 by 2 plus x is equal to 17 by 4. Therefore, we need what? X value. So, the plus change into what? Minus. So, coming this side. So, x is equal to 17 by 4 minus 5 by 2. What is the LCM of 4 and 2? 4. So, here the denominator is 4, but here the denominator is 2. So, what to do? You have to multiply by 2. Okay. So, 2 2s are 4. 5 2s are 10. So, 17 minus 10 by 4. When you subtract, what you get? 7 by 4. So, what is the value? X is equal to 7 by 4. Have you all understood, children? Have you all understood? Okay, children.
Children, shall we recall what we studied in the video? Okay. So, if you have same denominator, you have to subtract the numerator directly. Suppose if you have different denominators, you have to take LCM and you have to make it as a like fraction. Then you have to simplify or you have to subtract the rational numbers. Can you able to remember this, children? Okay.